Welcome once again to CookingaRound's channel. Welcome, welcome. What do I have for you today? Sushi, smoked salmon hand rolls with avocado and cucumber. A 100% party favor. Trust me, people go for this first, even over the roast turkey. And of course, if you want to lift people's spirits, put a lot of wasabi paste on it. And to let you know, this is so easy to make. I mean, you can make them really in the hundreds if you want to serve an army or a large family. Trust me, this is really good. Now, don't forget to put extra paste on the side and some soy sauce. Now, here I'm using the high quality soy sauce and low in sodium. Well, here's my vegetables ready to cut, and also what do I have here? I have my smoked salmon. By the way, this is Atlantic salmon. Now I'll take a small carrot. Of course, I have peeled it, and now I'm slicing it as thin as possible. And I like to do it by hand. And this is exactly what I want. Grab a bunch of green onions, and here I'm slicing it very thin because this brings out a better taste. Of course, you can't forget the red peppers. Now I'm slicing it here once again, like the carrot, as thin as possible. And don't worry about your slicing methods because practice makes perfect. Now the magic of the cucumber. Peel the cucumber, or you can leave the skin on. I prefer it off. And now I want you once again to slice this as thin as possible. The avocado. Now, if you take your peeler and vibrate it back and forth, you'll find it'll make your life a little bit easier. Now, again, we're going to slice it thin, or you could make it a little bit thicker. That depends on how much avocado you want per single roll. And now for the smoked salmon, just slice it, horizontally and vertically in just little pieces to make it easier for you. Okay, here we go. Here we have all the cut up veggie pieces and the rice, the sushi rice. Just follow the instructions on the package. And here I've got the salmon, and also I have a bowl of water to clean my fingers while I'm working. Now sometimes the nori can give you some trouble to cut, so the best way to do it is just fold it one side, bend it, and pull it apart. Okay, using half of the nori, I want you to squirt a little bit of the wasabi paste just on the corner like this and spread it around. Now grab your sushi rice and just put it into the corner like this and press it down. Don't worry, nobody's gone here to school to be a master chef in the art of sushi making. And now grab a little bit of your salmon and just put it on top of the rice. Try not to put too much because then you cannot roll it. Now grab some avocado and put that on top just like this. A slice of red pepper, and a slice of carrot. Now, do you see how simple this is? Okay, now add a slice of cucumber, just like this. Now, as you can see, we're progressing very nicely. Now, one thing I like to add, but this is an option, is some parsley. Maybe because I'm part Mediterranean, I like to use parsley a lot, but that's up to you. Now this is where the practice takes over. Push it in, roll over one corner to the other of your nori. Keep it tight and just roll, roll, roll. And don't worry about if it's not perfect. And now on the end, grab a little rice, put it on the end, and that will glue it shut. So all I can say now is I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I want to see you again on my next recipe. And it's once again, goodbye from Tony and Cooking Around.